Hello guys, in this video you will learn how you can stop background apps running on Android. So now right here the first thing that we want to do is to go to your phone settings. And then right here on phone settings, scroll down until you see about phone. What we can do now is to scroll down again and then tap on build number 7 times. And then after that, go back to your settings and at the search bar, just search for running services. Now just tap on that and it will then direct you here. Just tap on running services. So now what we can do to stop background apps running on Android is just to tap on one of these. And then when you tap on that, you can see this option. Stop and report. Take note that this service was started by its app, so stopping it may cause the app to fail. So now if you really want to stop this, just tap on stop. You can do that on the other apps right here as well. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!